I'm just worried about people who are just jumping on a bandwagon to do live stream and isn't sure if it will work out for them. Business owners can either engage professionals to set up simple live stream studio or spend enormous amount of time to figure out by themselves. But really, after spending all the money on the equipment and time, does it really work for your business? What if you spend the same amount of money and time to create meaningful content, such as articles, images, or videos that add value to your consumers? Apply a digital marketing strategy on the contents and target it to your potential customers. For a start, try creating a behind-the-scene video on how your business works, such as the making of baking your muffins. And then add a call to action at the end of that video. It might just have a higher return of investment. Think about it.